Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media strategist business. Suppose as a social media strategist, I use WhatsApp chatbot to offer free audits, send packages and book a call. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now in this video, we also learn how to save user data on our Google Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media strategist business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I want social media service. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Hey there, welcome to Bridge Bus Media. Your partner is smart, ROI-driven social media strategy. I can help you with audits, packages, consultations, and more. What would you like to explore today? Now we have in three options: view packages, free audit, book a call. Now simply click on view packages. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Now we simply click on book a call. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Let's log in a time to talk growth. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, demo user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Please share your business brand name. Now I am typing Growth Hub. After typing business name, I am getting another response. Preferred date. Now I am typing date 28 May. After that, I am getting another response. Preferred time. Now I am entering time 10 AM. After entering a time, I am getting another response. Goals. Example leads, engagement, branding, etc. Now I am typing leads. After typing leads, I am getting summary about my details. Name, business brand name, preferred date, preferred time, service. Now simply click on confirm. After clicking confirm, we are getting our last message. Thanks for reaching out to Bridge Bus Media. You are one step closer to building a bold, engaging and profitable online presence. Let's make your brand stand out. And I'll show you we also save users' details on our Google Sheet. Simply open our Google Sheet and you will see we automatically add users' details on our Google Sheet. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your social media strategist business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write our welcome message on it. In this we also add action buttons, view packages, free audit, book a call. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take another text button and simply write a message on it. When user press view packages, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Let's lock in a time to talk growth. Please share your full name. And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select contact custom field, full name. Also select format, that is text format. And simply connect book a call button to this question box and also connect free audit button to this box. Now save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a business and brand name from user and select the contact custom field business and also select the format, that is text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date from user and select the contact custom field date. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a time from user and select the contact custom field time. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a goal from user and select the contact custom field service and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Details, name, business, brand names, preferred date, time, service, and you will see I am using dollar sign. Dollar sign is used to customize or replace the data. Now simply connect this question box to this message box, and in this we also add confirm button and simply save the flow. Now we take API request. With the help of API, we save users data on our Google Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now we simply set up our API request. Simply click on webhook URL. After clicking, we have an interface like this. In this, we enter webhook URL. Where we get the webhook URL, simply we will open a Pabbly Connect. Simply click on Pabbly Connect Access Now button. Now we have an interface like this. Now in this, I already created workflow. If you want to create a new workflow, simply click on Create Workflow. Now I will show you how we will save users data on our Google Sheet. Simply we will open this flow. In this flow, we take webhook by Pabbly in triggered action, and in action we take Google Sheet. Now simply click on webhook by Pabbly and select trigger event catch webhook preferred. Now this is our webhook URL. Simply copy this URL and paste our API request box, and in this we select post, and in this we select contact custom field, full name, and enter key value full name. Now we add another contact custom field business and enter key value business and add more field. So here select the contact custom field and simply click on test and save, and simply connect this confirm button to this API request and save the flow. After that, when user enter their details, we capture details with the help of API request in our Pabbly Connect workflow. We captured data like this, and with the help of Google Sheet, we save data on our Google Sheet like this. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it and simply connect this API request box to this message box and save the flow. In this video, we have created a WhatsApp chatbot and we learn how to take a data from user and how to save data in Google Sheet with the help of API request and Pabbly Connect. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any queries, then let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.